Quick preface: Express Water lists multiple RO families on and their OEM site, and prices vary by model and whether you pick UV or alkaline add-ons. Check the exact product page I linked for current price and the specific model's features we share by links in description box. Express Water's RO units are commonly sold in 5 to 10 stage configurations. Some versions add UV sterilization or alkaline remineralization steps. The core offering is the standard RO combo: sediment and carbon prefilters, a high-quality RO membrane, and post-carbon or alkaline stages depending on the SKU, and the product descriptions strongly pitch up to 99.99% reduction of a broad list of contaminants when the system is set up correctly. If you want customizable RO options, extra stages for UV or mineralization, Express Water has those bundles ready on and their store. What do customers say? Express Water reviews typically highlight value. You get a full RO stack with extras like a chrome faucet and often an extra set of replacement filters in value bundles. Reviewers like the clear instructions, the color-coded tubing on many kits, and the fast improvement in taste. Critical notes across reviews include the usual RO caveats: you'll need space, a drain hookup, and you'll produce reject water. Plus, some buyers recommend having a plumber handle the initial install if you're not handy. Several third-party reviews and publications also called Express Water a great value pick compared to premium brands, especially when you choose a value bundle that includes extra replaceable filters. On camera, I'd say pros equals flexible model choices, UV, alkaline, standard RO, generally good value versus features, and solid user feedback on taste. Cons equals model selection can be confusing. Make sure you pick the SKU with the features you want, installation and maintenance overhead, and ongoing replacement cost. If you want a feature-rich RO on a budget or need UV for well water, Express Water's offerings are worth a look. And of course, we share by links in description box so you can pick the right configuration